Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, how do you know if your QCY MeloBuds Pro are charging? And firstly we can check it for the charging case. So on the front side we have the LED light and we need to connect these headphones to the power. You have different options how to do this. You can use an adapter and USB-C cable. You can use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone, or USB-A to USB-C to charge it from PC or another device with USB-A port. So let me connect it, and if you see the red LED light, meaning that your charging case is charging. How to check it for the earbuds? So if we put earbud to the charging case, now we have single white LED light, meaning that your earbud start charging. If we open the application, in the application we have no lightning bolt here, so you can check, you can open the application, check how much battery you have right now, then put them to the charging case, close the case, charge it from, let's say, 10 minutes, and then check is this battery level changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!